Hello, Illuminated creators. So this is video 7, and in this video we're essentially finishing up the painting. This is pretty much it. There is another video that I made, and I'm gonna have to really speed that one up. It was about a 40-minute video of me just doing little final touches, and I'll probably put that out as video number 8. But this is pretty much it, and I went with gold, of course. It's the golden triangle, and that's the name of the painting. And so it got its name, it got its final touches of, after this it'll just be basically same color brush strokes or very, very minor changes. Essentially, this is what the painting is going to look like. And there I am, finishing off my signature in my usual way. It's the only part of my paintings that's not geometric. And I always put quite a bit of time into it too. So there it is. And I'll see you in the next video. I think I'm gonna make the next video probably about 2 or 3 minutes and speed it up probably 20 times. So I'll see you there. Bye for now.